Hey, welcome back to BoxHero. In this video, we'll go through the process of inventory counting in the mobile app. From the home screen, scroll down until you see Inventory Count. This will open a new screen, and if it's your first stock count, go ahead and click the green button in the center. Now, let's fill in the details. We'll start with the title. Name it something like monthly count or warehouse restock. Next, we'll choose a location. Go ahead with main floor, and keep in mind when the count is finalized, only the quantities at this particular location will be updated. Moving on to items. We'll choose the items to include in this count. Either all items at the main floor or just a specific set of items that we select. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to choose the latter. And we'll go ahead and select the 4 belief products for this inventory count. All right, we'll click Done. And this is optional, but feel free to add any internal notes or memos if needed. Once everything looks good, tap Save. And you'll see the status change to In Progress. There's 3 statuses for the inventory count: In Progress, Awaiting Review, and Submitted. We'll go over these in a bit. They'll make more sense once you understand the concept of task sheets. Think of these as individual assignments. Each sheet gets assigned to a specific person, so you can divide the work across your team. Go ahead and tap the Add button in the right and choose an assignee. Pick a team member or assign it to yourself. The sheet title will autofill with the team member's name, but you can rename it to something like aisles 1 through 3. So Jenny will be in charge of these 3 aisles for the stock count. All right, let's create that task sheet, and there it is. In the same count, we can create multiple sheets to assign different areas, item categories, or team members. For example, let's add another task sheet for aisles 4 to 6. This time, we're going to assign it to Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo, Peter. We'll rename the sheet and add it to our count. We have 2 task sheets now, one assigned to Jenny for aisles 1 through 3, and then one assigned to Peter for aisles 4 through 6. Now, each assignee can open their task sheet and start counting. There's 2 options for the count process. Search for items manually and enter the counted quantities by hand, or scan the item barcode using your phone camera or an external scanner to record the counted quantities. We only have 4 items in this count, so let's just enter the quantities ourselves. Let's say Jenny counted the 4 belief products in aisles 1 through 3, and she found 10, 15, 20, and 25 units respectively. When she's done counting, she can tap Complete, or if she needs to step away for a bit, maybe go on a bathroom break, she can tap Save Draft to keep her current progress. We're just going to complete it, and now Jenny's task sheet is done. But we can see that Peter still hasn't started his. Note that the inventory count cannot be finalized until all task sheets are completed, so we can't move forward until Peter's sheet is marked as complete. Let's open up his task sheet. Say he counted 20 units of each belief product in aisles 4 through 6. We'll go ahead and complete his task sheet, assuming he counted everything correctly. Now, all task sheets are complete, and you'll notice that the inventory count status has changed to Awaiting Review. Remember the 3 statuses we mentioned earlier? We're halfway there. At this point, the team admin can review the updated quantities to confirm. We're going to tap the blue Submit button in the top right and review the changes made by Jenny and Peter. Note that the quantities get summed up. Jenny counted 10 units of the Aqua Bomb cream, and Peter counted 20, which means there's a total of 30 units, 10 plus 20, in this location. Same goes for the other items. For the vitamin C serum, Jenny counted 25 units, Peter counted 20, so now there's a total of 45 units. As the team admin, we'll make sure everything looks good, and then hit the Submit button. Quick warning, submitting is a final action, so you can't edit this count once you confirm. And our inventory count is officially submitted. Don't forget, you can check the submission results. And now, let's head back to our transactions history. It's going to be the icon with the up and down arrows in the bottom menu bar. You'll see that the inventory count we submitted resulted in a new Adjust Stock transaction with the updated numbers. The 4 belief items in the main floor location now have updated quantities of 30, 35, 40, and 45 from the stock count we just submitted. And that's how you run a full inventory count right from the BoxHero mobile app. If you have any questions, reach out to us at support@boxhero.io. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.